Hey guys, it's your girl Sayna, aka Say, and I'm back with another video. Yep, I'm back with another video. Happy 2018, like happy New Year. New Year. I'm gonna be working on so much things. I know I've been slacking, but videos are gonna be coming out. I'm gonna try to make 3 videos a week. So let's get this started. My video that I'm coming out with for the first New Year is the IPSY unboxing once again. Oh, IPSY unboxing once again. Oh, IPSY unboxing once again. Oh, IPSY unboxing once again. So my IPSY bag came in so early this time. So I was just like, what? Since I haven't made no videos, I might as well start it off with a IPSY unboxing. So let's get started. This is the January 2018 bag. Looks really nice. Look like the Olympics kind of bag. Really like it. Really like it. So let's see what we got in here. Ooh. Got the card, like always. It says game face. Fact, you got this. Whether it's running 5K, nailing a job interview, or consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush 2018 goals is within you. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, 5 personal picks, and the articles of IPSY.com were designed to keep you gamed faced and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candace of Day/One, an empowering activewear line, to express that everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blanks on the flip side of the card. Post it on social media and tag #IPSY and #IPSY Game Phase. Make sure you cheer on other IPSers too. Let's reach our goal together. P.S. Looking for more beauty fuel? Head over to IPSY Shopper to load up on your faves and get 10 to 30% cash back from everything you buy. So, and it says, I will conquer, and then you write what you want. That's what the card says. Now, getting into what I got inside here. Ooh. I see the NYX Lingerie lipstick. This is in the color Beauty Mark. Really cute. Nice brown shade. So, we'll be trying this out. Next, I got this. What is this? Oh, this is a mascara. Punk Volumizer mascara from the name brand Docha. It's nice. If you know me, you know I like mascara. But I have a lot of mascara, so I'm going to be putting this in my giveaway. Because when I get 200 subscribers, I will definitely be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Then I got this Lube by Jean Serum. It's a hydrated and calming serum. Don't really like serums like that, like hydrating ones, because I'm an oily girl. Focus. Doesn't want to focus, but I will be giving this away because I have oily skin. The next thing I see here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Stay Put Brow Gel. Ooh, I'm going to be trying this out. So I'm going to be trying this out. Let's see. Oops, yeah, it has the brush thing on, the brush head on the top. Definitely will be trying this out. And then lastly, I see I have the Kajal Water Eye Liner. And black. Ooh. Black. I see I'm getting a lot of eyeliners, so I'm definitely going to be using them. So I'm keeping this one also. So out of the glam bag, I'm just going to be keeping these 3 items. The NYX Lip Lingerie. This Bella Brow to see if it works. And I'm going to be keeping this black liner. And of course I'm going to be keeping my bag. Put it with my rest of my collection over here. As you can see, I have all my bags. I have a lot of bags. So I'm going to keep collecting. keep getting my IPSY bag. And yeah, if you wanna join IPSY, it's only $10 a month. I'm gonna have the link down below so you could click it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and it's 2018. I'm about to give y'all some videos left and right, I promise. This time I'm gonna be on my A game. I just been traveling, going back to New York, coming back, and then not feeling like I wanted to film and stuff like that. And then when I do film, I didn't like the video, so I would delete it out. But I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna be on my A game. And yes, I'm gonna try to make at least 3 videos today so I can get some of them up. And let's get this. 2018 is our year. We're gonna try to have fun and try to reach my goal. So if you want to see what's my goal for 2018, I'm gonna be having a video on that. I just have to print out my pictures, get my board, and show you how I'm gonna make my board. And I'm gonna hang up my board right here. So every single day when I come in this room, I'm gonna realize, like, you know what, this is my motivation, this is what I want to do. So if y'all want to see that, just let me know. I'm gonna video it. And yes, until my next video, see you later. Bye guys.